ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
President Jong Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H. Pala ula kinno bakajing don jong ki Khyrdop lum Khajna bala Be-Aiñ Be-Aiñ ha Shilenter ke Surokbah ha Keleng ke Jilla ki dai Tang ki ATM jong ke Sorkar ha kajing ekren bat kilat pathai khubor uba Pala ula kinno ru baka Sorkar Jilla kam don mon satya ban penduk pendamno yakini ki Khyrdop lum Khajna Be-Aiñ ban ha kaju kapor ula ongru bakajing don jong kini ki Khyrdop lum Khajna Be-Aiñ kalong Tang ban luti ya ka app jong ki
These illegal gates are the ATMs of the governments only. So there's no question of the government is not willing to shut down. I'll be happy if you travel from here to Nongstoin and you see you just cross everywhere there are gates. You just before reaching Mongap there'll be a gates and you cross, then you will see that in the areas where Bakrol's near his home. And his house also, you just cross a little bit, there's a gate, you go to Nongstoin, there's a gate, you go to Snaphar, there's a gate. So there are gates in that highways. And if you go to bypass, from bypass, if you cross from Burnit right to Ratashara, you see that almost 22 check gates are on the way. Nowhere in India you'll have so much check gates. Check gates for the cow, there's check gate for the vegetables, there's a check gate for timber, there's a check gate for coal, there's a check gate for human beings. And there's a check gate for check gates only, there's nothing is there. And if you see in Umulong, before reaching Umulong there's a gate, after crossing Umulong there's a gate. And you see in Jawai bypass, short distance in Jawai bypass, there are I think 2 check gates. Short distance in Shillong bypass, there you see the 6-7 check gates. So I think there's this totally loot of the people, and the people are suffering. So it's not like it's knowledge, it's a reality also. Should do more than the SIT. It is this because SIT, if the court is doing it, most of the officers and all will be the state machineries. I think they should, I don't know, it's not fair to me to comment on whatever the court is going to do, but it's my personal views is that it should be more, there should be a CBI inquiry or there should be something inquiry which the state machineries, the police or any of the state machineries should not involve. It should be from independent inquiries on these issues because the suffer of the people is very too much, I think. Especially as of now, they are taking 1 lakh per truck, and in West Castles they are taking, it's not open, yeah. And so many accidents are there, and there's nothing hiding on this issue. So I think the court will definitely take steps as of now. Let's see what the court is taking. But SIT may not be even enough, I think.